Hello everyone and welcome to L'Oreal Professionnel's Head Up Keys. Most people want some satisfaction out of their careers, but for one job in particular, heading to work each day is filled with creativity, communication, and appreciation.
Can you guess which job it is?
For me, it's all about the humans, helping them to transform themselves. It's a huge win. It's what I love doing.
J'aime bien écouter l'expérience, regarder le comportement des autres. C'est ça qui m'inspire.
I love creating looks. That's my passion.
Sempre fui fascinada pelo belo, pela beleza e pelo impacto que poderia causar nas pessoas, pelos sorrisos que poderia ver nas pessoas.
Und man hat immer so ein bisschen so eine Weihnachtsmann-Funktion. Ja? Also das ist, es ist einfach ein toller Beruf.
You and I both know hairstyling is rewarding, but it's also demanding physically and emotionally.
As a hair pro, you're there for your clients.
We're here for you. That's why L'Oreal Professionnel created Head Up Keys, a free training for hair professionals by hair professionals to care for our mental health and well-being. I'm Daniel Mason-Jones, educator for L'Oreal Professionnel and mental health advocate.
And I'm Hayley Jepson, former psychotherapist and colorist. During this free training, you'll learn about the different types of mental health issues and how to recognize them in yourself or in a colleague.
You'll also get the tools to care for and strengthen your mental health to further build your resilience.
65% of hairdressers have experienced anxiety, burnout, or depression during their professional career.
Mental health is important for hair professionals because we are literally the sponge that takes in all the energy.
最多也就减15个，到晚上的时候可能你会身心疲惫。
La salud mental entre nosotros, entre los profesionales, es súper importante porque nosotros necesitamos crear, somos creadores, nosotros somos artistas.
Everyone says how a hairstylist is your client's therapist, and so you do tend to take on their depressions, their sadness, their happy moments.
Porque, cara, a gente não é só cabeleireiro, né? A gente é psicólogo.
We're going to cover 4 important topics related to mental health. First, there's stress. It's a heightened response to a situation, person, or interaction. Next, there's anxiety. It's a persistent feeling of fear or extreme worry. Then we have depression. This can make you feel sad, discouraged, or hopeless. Lastly, we have burnout. This happens when you're overwhelmed, emotionally drained, and you can't keep up with work-life demands. Maybe you've noticed there are times when you can't seem to switch off after the end of the day, or perhaps you start your day in the morning with a knot in your stomach, thinking about the work day ahead. Creating a self-care routine will help you calm your nervous system and build your inner strength.
Let's start with the body. It's all about eating, drinking, and moving in ways that work for you.
Did you know that up to 90% of serotonin is made in your gut? Serotonin is known as the happy hormone that positively affects your mood.
Ideally, try to take at least a 20-minute break to eat during your day. This can help improve your productivity and creativity while decreasing levels of stress and fatigue.
We all know that exercise is good for us. When we move, we feel better and have more energy. But it also reduces the risk of depression and anxiety because it helps our bodies to produce serotonin. Remember that happy hormone?
Your mental well-being is key to help you better manage life's daily stressors, and you already have one of the best tools to help, your breathing.
When done mindfully, breathing is a calming signal for the body. It stimulates the vagus nerve, which is our body's major mind-body highway. Basically, its job is to help you calm down after you've faced a stressful situation. There are many different ways to do breath work. One of them is called box breathing. Want to give it a try? Let's do it. We are going to do this to a 4 count. Breathe out slowly, releasing all the air from your lungs. Breathe in through your nose as you slowly count to 4 in your head. Hold your breath for a count of 4. Exhale for another count of 4. Hold your breath again for a count of 4. Repeat for 3 to 4 rounds. As a hair pro, you're around people all day as you interact with your clients, but this shouldn't replace your own social network.
Although the relationship with your clients is valuable, it's not a replacement for your own friends.
Socialising is good for your mind and body. Whether you're a freelancer, employee, or manager, a great way to reduce work stress is to learn how to set boundaries and communicate them clearly.
A good place to start is by setting your work policies. Create a brief one-page document outlining how you work. You can send this via email to first-time clients if you have an online booking system.
Setting boundaries helps you to avoid many stressful situations, but some things are simply out of your control.
Clients can be late, maybe they don't like the results, or they're very anxious. Whatever the scenario, these things happen all the time, and you can't change this.
But you can be prepared for them and as a result, react in less stressful ways. We do this by having a list of prepared professional statements in your toolbox.
If you work in a salon, then clients aren't the only people you interact with.
You've got coworkers. They can be a great source of support as well as stress.
You want to focus on great communication. When you're a manager, define key roles and jobs. It's important that the people know their responsibilities: sweeping the floors, doing the laundry, answering the phone. Start your wellness initiatives in small, manageable steps. Over time, you'll improve your mental and emotional well-being.
As a hair pro, you're there for your clients and L'Oréal Professionnel is there for you. Together with Head Up Keys, you'll learn to better handle stresses from the salon so that your talent can shine bright.
Are you ready?
Welcome to your Head Up Keys.